Anthropic released Claude 3 model family, which sets new industry benchmarks across a wide range of cognitive tasks. The family includes three state-of-the-art models in ascending order of capability: Claude 3 Haiku, Claude 3 Sonnet, and Claude 3 Opus. Each successive model offers increasingly powerful performance, allowing users to select the optimal balance of intelligence, speed, and cost for their specific application. All Claude 3 models show increased capabilities in analysis and forecasting, nuanced content creation, code generation, and conversing in non-English languages like Spanish, Japanese, and French. Claude 3 Opus is the most intelligent model, with best-in-market performance on highly complex tasks. It can navigate open-ended prompts and sight unseen scenarios with remarkable fluency and human-like understanding. Opus shows us the outer limits of what's possible with generative AI. Claude 3 Sonnet strikes the ideal balance between intelligence and speed, particularly for enterprise workloads. It delivers strong performance at a lower cost compared to its peers and is engineered for high endurance in large-scale AI deployments. Claude 3 Haiku is the fastest, most compact model for near-instant responsiveness. It answers simple queries and requests with unmatched speed. Users will be able to build seamless AI experiences that mimic human interactions. The Claude 3 models can power live customer chats, auto-completions, and data extraction tasks where responses must be immediate and in real time. Haiku is the fastest and most cost-effective model on the market for its intelligence category. It can read an information and data-dense research paper with charts and graphs in less than 3 seconds. For the vast majority of workloads, Sonnet is 2x faster than Claude 2 and Claude 2.1 with higher levels of intelligence. It excels at tasks demanding rapid responses, like knowledge retrieval or sales automation. Opus delivers similar speeds to Claude in 2.1, but with much higher levels of intelligence. The Claude 3 models have sophisticated vision capabilities on par with other leading models. They can process a wide range of visual formats, including photos, charts, graphs, and technical diagrams. Previous Claude models often made unnecessary refusals that suggested a lack of contextual understanding. Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku are significantly less likely to refuse to answer prompts that border on the system's guardrails than previous generations of models. The Claude 3 models show a more nuanced understanding of requests, recognize real harm, and refuse to answer harmless prompts much less often. Compared to Claude 2.1, Opus demonstrates a twofold improvement in accuracy, or correct answers, on these challenging open-ended questions, while also exhibiting reduced levels of incorrect answers. In addition to producing more trustworthy responses, soon citations will be enabled in Claude 3 models, so they can point to precise sentences in reference material to verify their answers. The Claude 3 family of models are capable of accepting inputs exceeding 1 million tokens. To process long context prompts effectively, models require robust recall capabilities. The needle in a haystack evaluation measures a model's ability to accurately recall information from a vast corpus of data. Claude 3 Opus not only achieved near-perfect recall, surpassing 99% accuracy, but in some cases, it even identified the limitations of the evaluation itself by recognizing that the needle sentence appeared to be artificially inserted into the original text by a human. The Claude 3 family of models is developed to be as trustworthy as they are capable. Dedicated teams track and mitigate a broad spectrum of risks, ranging from misinformation and CSAM to biological misuse, election interference, and autonomous replication skills. The Claude 3 models are better at following complex, multi-step instructions. They are particularly adept at adhering to brand voice and response guidelines and developing customer-facing experiences users can trust. In addition, the Claude 3 models are better at producing popular structured output in formats like JSON, making it simpler to instruct Claude for use cases like natural language classification and sentiment analysis. Opus and Sonnet are available to use today in Claude API, which is now generally available, enabling developers to sign up and start using these models immediately. Haiku will be available soon. Sonnet is powering the free experience on Claude.ai, with Opus available for Claude Pro subscribers. Sonnet is also available through Amazon Bedrock and in private preview on Google Cloud's Vertex A Model Garden, with Opus and Haiku coming soon to both. To start building with Claude, visit anthropic.com, join our community of fellow AI enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel, hitting that notification bell, and embarking on this exciting journey with us. Let's dive deep into the world of AI together. Join our community of fellow AI enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel, hitting that notification bell, and embarking on this exciting journey with us. Let's dive deep into the world of AI together.